Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to transfer Grabpay wallet to GCash. So let's start. So to transfer funds using your Grabpay wallet, you need to complete your identity verification. So it's important to verify your identity and then set up your Grabpay to secure your account information. There are several ways to transfer your Grabpay wallet's balance. So you can do it by QR code, so you can follow these steps. That is, ask the recipient to receive. A QR code will be generated, and in your Grab app, tap scan to pay, enter the amount to transfer, and you will receive it. By mobile phone number, you go to payment, tap transfer, select another Grabpay wallet, enter the recipient's number, enter the amount to transfer the slide, and complete the transaction, and you will receive it. And also by bank accounts, you can open the Grab app and then finance and select transfer feature and choose your transferable balance and select. That's the three ways to do it, guys. As you can see, are very easy. You can follow the steps here, and if you want to check them, you can go to helpgrab.com. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up to this video.